It's 1040. I've already pulled 0.21 kilowatt. Had this thing for 2 days. I've only pulled 1.32 kilowatt from the panel. We'll come back here in a little bit, see how much I pulled up. Battery's just about charged again. I had a load on it earlier. 180 watt panels bringing in 112, 111. I'll be back. Let's see what she does. Yeah. Told you I'd be back. What time is it? It's 12:40. Well, I just turned 12:50. I think it was like on the day it was 21 or 25. I can't remember. 21 on the other video. We'll do this all day. Just about 1 o'clock. Yeah, ever since the last video, I've had both TVs on. Just to worry to pull the draw. To keep my watts up. I want to see what all I can bring in. It's going good. Not even warm. It's got a fan on it too. But it's got a fan. It's pretty good output. That's how much I pulled out of it from the light here. This light. That's what I pulled out of it. I actually reset this on accident. But that was probably a 9.09 month. That's the 2 or 3 days that I've had it. Which I've had this light on quite a bit. It's 30 watt light bulb LED. I'm running, my TV's 100 watts, and the other TV's a 90 watt, I believe, or 80. They're both running. Conversion 7.8, turning it into 8.5. Pretty decent 12 volt panel. It's like a 1.1 conversion rate. Pretty good. Really going good. I wouldn't be surprised if I don't get close to a whole kilowatt today. It's several hours left. Well, I'll be back. I'll put all these videos together at the end of the day when I see what my total is. 180 watt panel, one of them by Synergy. Epever Tracer 40 amp. And I can't complain too much about this for $11. It did real good, but it nowhere close to, I'd say it's close to 30 or 40% difference as the speed that this thing charges at. Like I could turn the inverter off and it would jump up to 14.4 pretty much instantly on the battery. And I'll show you how many watts that is. 2 amps it's drawing. That's my low, 25, 26. The warmer it gets, it'll go all the way up to 30 once it gets warm. You can see it's climbing. Got 6 LEDs in it. I think it's bright. Turn that off. So really, I don't know. I think I'm being hard on my batteries right now, but because I only got one panel. It's only, I don't understand why it's only bringing in 108. I mean, I have seen 141, but the conversion rate it's doing, I guess if it don't drop under a certain voltage here, I would have to put a heavier dowel on it, I guess. I don't know. Because technically a 12 volt battery is 100% at 12.8. Well, this style is anyway. But we'll see at the end of the day. Might have one more video, about 3 or so. We'll see. I'm back. It's only 2:15. I thought I'd come in here to dead batteries pretty much. It's still the same. You can calculate how many hours it's been. The batteries are 13.2. Yeah, they're still 13.2. My happy little battery. Still doing everything it should. Been cloudy. It was cloudy earlier. I expected to come in here and see the battery's down to like 12.5 or at least something. Daily kilowatts going up slow now. What was it? Constant, over 100 all the time pretty much. I'll probably make a few more videos. So I want to leave myself a little bit of light to charge the batteries back up before it does get dark. We'll see. Well, it's like 3 o'clock. Everything's still running. But I've noticed that it's went into float mode. I'm bringing in 70 batteries at 13.8. It says it's in float instead of boost. I have to look at the manual. I don't know how long it stays in float. I think it's 120 minutes or something like that. But I don't know if that's a good thing it went into float, or I'll have to look at the manual. But I had some real good sun. Like I said, it's 3 o'clock. There about 2:30. I mean, it was really coming down with some sun. And it's still real sunny out there, but it's still got the same load on it. How would I don't know. It's coming down now. Well, it went back up. They may have turned the TV off upstairs. Yeah, I believe they have, because it's not pulling anything out. The TV's off. Got this fan on just to get a 30-watt pull, but it's not phasing it. Let me turn it off. I came in here, it was like 60 watt. What? But no, it's doing right. This is just doing its thing here. Oh, I bet the day is the 28th. No, it's the 27th. I read somewhere in the manual it says every 28 days. No, that's equalization charge. I don't know. Maybe it goes into float every day. I don't know. But I'll be back and we'll see when it comes out of float. Well, it's 4 o'clock now and it's, I guess it's right at its float, close to it. Look at the amps. 2.3 to 3.3. See what the watts is. Yeah, 42 watts. I'm pretty sure it's still in the float. Still float mode. I have no idea when that's going to come out. It's been an hour. Battery's floating. 13.8, that's what it says it floats at. It says. Sun in and out. It's out right now. It's must be behind a cloud. Oh yeah, she's behind the cloud. Big cloud. That won't be there long. This is the directly behind this. Maybe a little bit more to the left. It's close anyway. It's north that way. And south is that way. And I'm not sure how that happened, but that's south. And east, of course, is that way. Or west, I mean. West is that way. This is gonna be the way that I have the back this way a little bit. I'm gonna leave that panel setting at that angle all day tomorrow. Let's see what I get out of it. The sun's behind that cloud bad. It's getting ready to poke out. Should get a peek on that cloud edge. The sun will be back out. It's 4 o'clock. I have no idea when it will come off a float. Hopefully it's soon. So I'm about to get my batteries charged back up. They're charged, but oh well, we'll see. I'll be back here in a little while. I figured I'd go ahead and make a last video to where I can edit all this together. But it looks like I've got a lot of clouds coming in. It's pretty cloudy all the way around. You're not moving too fast. It's hard to say when the sun will come back out. I'll have to leave the house for a little while. But maybe those fig trees are coming on good. I can't wait till these come up a few years from now because my solar panels will be over here. One there, about 10 in all. That one down there at the road is it's the same kind, but it's a different variety. These are all fig trees. They get 15 by 15. My solar panel is going to be sitting here. About this angle probably is this pole probably at that angle. And then, which I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this panel later on, because I will have Renogy 100-watt panels. I'll have 10 on this one charge controller. Then I'll have to get another charge controller. Then I'll do another 10 that will be laid back at the opposite angle of that, this way. That way I catch the west sun when it's going down. I'll have 3 charge controllers and 30 panels altogether, because I'm probably going to set me up another 10 right through here that will be facing exactly, probably back this way to catch the morning sun. So that will be 3 charge controllers. That's just overkill. Eventually I'm going to have some Trojan 6-volt golf cart batteries. We'll probably have 8 of those hooked into series parallel, make 12 volt. Very large bank probably. And she's still into float mode. Oh man. Still floating it on up there. 1.3, that's ridiculous. I guess it's just holding float. It's not, the charge controller won't allow any more to come through. That means my batteries are charged, I guess. They're actually floating. I'll leave that on because I'm leaving. The girls might come in and need some power. But I was going to show everybody. Yeah, we're still on the grid. That's, something's pulling. Might be a light or something. Somebody's charging a phone or something upstairs. But I've got these 2 power supplies hooked to my batteries too. I've got them coming in this line here. What they're hooked up to is that 6-pack. This 6-pack is hooked up to this timer. You can see all the places the first time it will come on be at 9 o'clock tonight. And that will hold them at float at 13.8, 13.9, even with the TVs running. And then it'd be off for an hour and a half. Each one of those blocks is a half hour. There's 1, 2, that's 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours is all I'm running off grid. And so far, let's see here. What's the lowest, the minimum it's ever got down to is 12.5, and that's what I'm shooting for. It's not to hurt my batteries. 12.5, I'm happy with that. So if I can keep that going, everything will be fine. That means that my batteries are not done damaged. They will last a whole lot longer. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and, that's a pretty good day, 71 kilowatt. Well, I guess it'd be 710 kilowatt, or 710 hours. I don't know. I know 1 kilowatt is 1,000 watts. So that's 710 watts. The total is just about a whole kilowatt. Day's not over. I'm sure it'll be close to that. So it's got to kick off of this float. It will have to, surely. It may not until tomorrow. Let's see here. Battery still in float. But that's cool. I like it that it lets me know what the lowest that it got to. And that's the max that it got to. I never saw it get to that, but I did see 14.9, but that's what I want to see. I don't want to see it to go lower than that. I know it's kind of like cheating a little bit, but considering that's when I watch TV, is at midnight on to about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. And that's as low as it's going. That's 2 TVs going. So I believe it will be fine like that. I like that. And these power supplies are really good for what they are. I mean, I've got an iota 55 amp in the house. These are 75 each. I have no problem running those 2 hours a day to run my TVs. It has to help me on the long run. It's going to have, surely I'll see a difference. But I'm going to put all these together. Please leave messages. So, you know, if I'm doing anything that anybody sees that I can change or whatever, let me know. I'm new at this, but it's very addictive. It's crazy that I can already tell. I mean, it's just like I want more and more and more. Thanks for watching.